So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name in StumbleGuys. So the first thing you want to do is go to stumbleguys.com/play. Once you've gone to there, you will see a screen similar to this one. You can see your profile, you can see something about your levels, you can see some news, and you can go to settings on here. So you can see some of the setup you can check out on there. But the main thing you want to go to is your profile. So on here you can see your perks, how your avatar looks, how many trophies you won, this crowned as well. You can see rank history, if you're ranked right now, what's your best season, and so on. So right now the name will be laid out on here, so you can see player and so on. If you click on this pencil icon, it's gonna give you the option enter name. So your name is displayed to other players, and you can see here your first name change is free. So if you type out something to change from player and then some random letters added, and put in a name that's maybe linked to your other multiplayer accounts, so you can be more recognizable, you can change it for free. But make sure that there are no spelling errors, that you are sure about that name, since changing it later is gonna probably cost you something. So just make sure that you are satisfied with the name you're going to change it to. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.